Hello and welcome back to Android Tutorials, and this is the second part of our series how to make a wallpaper app in Android Studio. We are going to use Pixabay API. So here you can see that I had opened my Pixabay website in my Android device because currently I don't have my laptop, so I am going to make API in this device. In our next video we are going to shift in our laptop. So first let me give you what is Pixabay. So Pixabay is a website which give stunning free images and royalty free stock images. So you can see that over 1.8 millions plus high quality stock image, videos, music shared by our their talented community. So you can see that difference. And the best part of this Pixabay API is we will get always a high quality image. So you can see this type of images. These all images are most attractive. So you can see that full images. Now here we are going to make the API for our. We are going to generate the API for our wallpaper app. So I am going to move to this menu option. So let me enable this desktop site is enabled. So here I am, and here you will find one button API. So I am going to click on that, and here is Pixabay's developer API. So here it says build something beautiful with the world of foremost collection of free high quality images and videos. So you can imagine how this is. And here there is 2.1 million photos, illustration, vector images and videos for free. So here we are going to see that all the stuff. So here is all these things. You can see that. Now first we are going to get started, means we are going to view the API documentation. So this uses the RESTful interface for searching and retrieving our free images and videos. So first here is our rate limit. So this is the most important part to make an API. So let me explain you. So here it says by default they make around 150 requests per hour, means we can request per hour 5000, and maximum is unlimited, but in our 24-hour it will be catch our application. So here is search images. So here is the get method for key, then query, language, ID of that image type, means which type of image is all, photo, illustration, vector, its orientation, category, minimum width. This much information we will get in our using API. So here it says use this URL to make the API response. So here you can see that https pixabay.com/API, and here we have to write this key. So this key is much more important. So here we will get the response in this format. You can see that here it says total hits, and then we will have hits array. In that we have ID, page URL, type, text, preview URL, preview width, height, web format URL, web format width, web format height, large image URL, and many more stuff like that. So here is this much details that we have. So in our application we are going to first load the full screen URL and image URL in our application, and here there are some limitation also. So we can only use we cannot access the full API. We cannot use this much response, that is full HD URL, image URL and vector URL, because the following response pair will not available if your account has not approved for full API access. So this URL gives high resolution, so we will try to apply the fully approved API also. So here is our full API documentation, and there are the rate limit data I had said you, that is 5000 request per hour. Then hot linkings, so here is hot linkings. It says return image URL will temporarily display in the search result permanently. Hot linking of the images is not allowed. So we are don't going to make it permanent. So first we are going to join this pixabay.com. So here click on join, and then I am going to sign up with Google. So here is my Google. So here is my email. So after we have to write crossover here, and then again click on this, and then move to API section. In this API we have to get started method. So get started button, and here our API key is. So by joining the Pixabay API we will generate our API key. So here is our API key. By this we are going to build our application in next video. So please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to miss any of this video. And you will make a wallpaper app from beginning to the publishing to the Play Store. So thanks for watching Android tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.